Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's your Shruti. Today topic is microbe. So before starting, I will give small introduction of this topic. Microbes are tiny living organisms that are found all around us. They can live in water, soil and in air. They are same as that of us. They can have a ability to growth, reproduce, aspiration, prepare food for themselves, but only differ in size. So we'll see the definition. Microbes are single-celled organisms that are invisible to naked eyes. We are multiple cell organisms. Approximately 37.2 trillions of cells are participated to make a human body. So we can just imagine how much the small size of these microbes are there. Classification of this microscope based on the different life forms with the different size and characteristics. So first one is bacteria, fungi, protists, viruses and archaeas. Now we'll see one by one. The first one is bacteria. Bacteria are unicellular microscopic prokaryotic microorganisms that not contain true nucleus. Prokaryotic means the lack of nucleus, and other organelles not contain true nucleus means true nucleus nothing but having a nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nuclear reticulum and nucleolus. These all are absent under this bacteria, so hence they not contain true nucleus. Next, peptidoglycan wall is thin wall that usually help to differentiate gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Flagellum is usually helps to locomotion or the motion of this bacteria. Different type of cocci are round in shape, bacilli are rod in shape, spirilla like a tendril shape. We can see the picture of this bacteria. They reproduce by binary fission. Binary fission is nothing but type of asexual reproduction where parent cell divides to give two identical daughter cells. Next, some bacteria harmful while some bacteria beneficial to human survival. For example, E. coli. E. coli is usually normal inhabitant of the intestine. In some cases of it causes urinary tract infection. Next is fungi. These can be unicellular, multicellular with the cell wall made up of chitin. Chitin is nothing but chalcophyllene white strain present on the fungi cell wall and provides structural stability to the cell wall of the fungi. These are heterotrophs. Heterotrophs means they are the organisms do not prepare their own food but they depend upon the other or the host. Then yeast, molds, mushrooms are some of the important fungi. Few fungi are harmful and cause of fungal infections like ringworm, while other are used to making antibiotic like penicillin, etc. They are useful in making antibiotic like penicillin and cephalosporin. Viruses are smaller than the bacteria and fungi. They can filtered by the bacterial filter. Viruses are non-cellular microorganisms composed of protein, nucleic acid and lipids. They are measuring in nanometer with the size ranging from 20 nanometer to 250 nanometer and could only be seen under the electronic microscope. I already told that the microbes are tiny in shape and size. They can only be seen under the electronic microscope. So they active inside the host cell and reproduce only in living organisms. Viruses active only under the host and otherwise they are in inactive form in environment. Some viruses contain envelope and core of the nucleotides surrounded by the protein coat which could invade in living cell. So envelopes is used to invade or binding on the host cells with the spikes to enter the host cells and cause a infection by releasing the viral DNA into the host cells. So these are all my today topics. Hope you understand. If you have any doubts then comment me. Like, share, subscribe, support my channel. Your support is my strength. Thank you. Good night.